Once upon a time, in a distant magical world, there lived a fairy named Noorpari. Noorpari loved the stars more than anything. Every night she would fly up to the sky and create new glowing stars to light up the world. But one night, the sky was dark, not a single star was shining. Noorpari wondered, what happened? Where have all the stars gone? Then a soft voice echoed, I know. When Noorpari turned around, she saw a jinn standing there. His name was Zarjan. Zarjan said, I have locked the stars inside a magic box because I don't like the night. Noorpari smiled gently and said, if there's no night, then who will dream? Zarjan was surprised. He had never thought about it that way before. Noorpari waved her little wand and a bright light spread through the air. That light touched Zarjan's heart and softened it. He said, I'll release the stars, but on one condition. You must teach me how to fly with them. Noorpari laughed and said, all right, but you'll have to bring light from your heart. Together they opened the box and let the stars soar into the sky once more. The night sparkled again, and for the first time, Zarjan felt how beautiful light and darkness could be when they were together. And from that day on, every night a new star shines, a sign of Noorpari and Zarjan's friendship.